Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking in English.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak a little today.
Great. Today, we practice what we learned before. Vocabulary for days of the week, and the grammar, verb to be, plural, we, you, they. We do it with 3 exercises. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with clear rhythm. Second, read aloud helps you read a short text with a calm voice. Third, describe the picture helps you look, think, and speak about what you see.
That sounds simple and useful.
Exactly. Let's begin with shadowing. Listen first, then repeat. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen and repeat after each short phrase. Copy the rhythm and keep it simple.
Okay, I will listen and repeat.
Good. We start now. We are ready. You are next. They are here. We're in class. You're very quiet. They're happy today. We aren't late. They aren't at home. Are we ready? Yes, we are. Are you students? Yes, you are. Monday is busy. Friday is fun. On Saturday, we are free. Sunday is quiet. They are not tired. We are together on Tuesday. Read aloud. Great shadowing, Nexo. Now we do read aloud. You read the text aloud first, and then the viewer can pause the video and read it slowly.
I am ready. I will read clearly. On Monday, we are in English class. You and your friends are happy, but they are quiet and ready. On Friday, we are not at home. We are at the park. Saturday is free, and they are excited. We talk read, and smile together.
Excellent. Nexo, you did very well. Now, it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud.
Take your time, everyone.
Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now we do describe the picture. Look at the image and try to use the words shown and the grammar we studied. Nexo, you try first. After that, the viewer will try.
I will try first.
Perfect. Nexo, describe what you see in short sentences.
In the picture, we are in a bright classroom. A big calendar shows Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday on the wall. 2 children are at a table, and they are smiling. They are not tired. You are near the calendar with cards for Saturday and Sunday. The teacher is happy, and the room is clean. We are ready to speak English.
Nice description, Nexo. Now, viewer, it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture your way.
Small sentences are okay.
Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, Monday. I like Mondays. Sunday. I like to rest on Sundays. Now pause and speak. You can do it. Little by little, you will get better.